In this video I'm going to show you the Polaris Ultra-Fine Silt Canister. This canister is good if you have an Alpha IQ Plus or an Alpha IQ or any of the Polaris Robotic Pool Cleaners. This canister is universal and will fit in all of them. And the Polaris Ultra-Fine Sand and Silt Filter Canister will fit into all of these popular Polaris Robotic Pool Cleaner models. And let me show you the difference between the canisters. And this is the all-purpose canister that comes with the Alpha IQ Plus and on the standard Polaris Robotic Pool Cleaners. So this canister is definitely great for leaves and small particle debris. But if you have finer sand and silt in your pool, you're going to need the sand silt canister. This one will pick up all the fine dirt and debris in your pool. And after running the Alpha IQ in your pool, if you find out there's still some fine dust and sand in there, the sand silt canister would be perfect for that. And the ultra-fine sand silt canister is designed specifically to pick up the finer sand and silt in the pool. It'll filter down to a smaller micron than the all-purpose canister. Just note that the sand silt canister will get clogged up a lot sooner than the all-purpose canister that comes with the cleaner. So the pool today has mainly dirt in there, so I'm going to go ahead and use the ultra-fine canister and the Alpha IQ Plus. And again, the ultra-fine canister is universal and will fit all the Polaris Robotic Pool Cleaners. I'm going to go ahead and run the Alpha IQ Plus in this pool with the ultra-fine canister. Let me show you all the fine dirt it picked up here. You can see all the fine dirt it picked up. And you can see the ultra-fine canister does pick up more dirt than the all-purpose canister. Just note that it gets clogged up a lot quicker and it's not designed for large debris. And I really like how easy it is to clean and empty the Polaris debris canister. Simply turn it upside down and hose it off, and all the dirt and debris will come out. That's a look at the ultra-fine canister for your Polaris Alpha IQ Plus. Definitely a must-have if you have a lot of fine dirt in your pool. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.